Hello guys. Welcome to Wow Hotel Reviews. Today I am reviewing Sage Motel. It's a non-star hotel. Please use our booking.com link in description to book the hotel and get special pricing. Featuring free Wi-Fi, Sage Motel offers accommodations in Newcastle. Every room includes a flat-screen TV with satellite channels. On-site laundry facilities are also available. There is a 24-hour front desk at the property. Use our link in description to get special discount on this hotel. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.